Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yumo and hello to a new group on this channel. CLC had their comeback after quite some time. I can't actually remember what the last comeback was. CLC is a group that I'm kind of familiar with. I'm not really too familiar with all the members and their whole discography, but I have a few songs of them in my playlist. Let's see what I have in my playlist. If I type in CLC in my Kpop playlist, we have Me, Black Dress and Hobgoblin. Those are the songs that I am familiar with CLC, and yeah, I've just heard that they have come back, and it's been quite some time actually since their last comeback, so this one's pretty hype. And yeah, that's why we are going to be checking that out today. I'm quite excited. I've got a little teased from a little someone out of this community that it's amazing. And yeah, I'm full of high hopes. And also guys, if you're new here, looking for daily K-pop reaction content through all sorts of groups, and maybe drop a like, drop a comment, drop a sub, whatever you like, it helps me out, helps me grow. And with that being said, let's see what they got. They make good music, that's for sure. We won't be lonely at the top. Ooh, that blonde hair looked good. That looked queen style. Already, that beat sounds promising. That beat sounds freaking hype as fuck. Ooh. Oh damn, that's a strong start. Starting off with rap immediately? Let's go. Damn, the visuals in this video are actually nuts. What? Oh my god, what is that dress? That was an interesting move. Pre-chorus here. Slowly building up. Oh, those wings look good. Simple, but good. Oh, what will the chorus be like? It's always that excitement. Oh, that's hype. Damn, that beat is nasty. This definitely goes ham, holy shit. Ooh, that flow. Oh, another rap part. She's good. Damn, my freaking goodness. Like I said, I'm not so super familiar with them, but I know that they are from Kpop. And what is it with Kpop and their freaking sane rappers? You have Soyeon and this girl in the same company. Hello, where's the collab? There needs to be a collab somewhere in time. This dress, still, it's insane. Super beautiful. Oh, I love this build up. It's so slow and subtle, but it really built. Oh, yes! This goes super hard. This is bad vibes in the best way possible. And the imagery and visuals in this video, stunning. Like how they play with the lights is... And... Oh, that's actually, I like that. Like with the military drums in the back, and then you have those soldiers coming out from the side. Marching in the beat with the little clap break in between. Super creative. Oh, the build up is so strong. Those claps in the background. It's such a hype song, holy frick. Oh, this beat is nuts. Wow. The journey never ends. I mean, I said... Okay, only 2 videos here? Ah, no, there's more. I was saying that they are making good music, but holy, that one hit hard. That one hit freaking hard. Goddamn, they are trending in Germany as well, and I have said it many a times in my videos. K-pop trending in Germany is pretty difficult. There's basically always just Blackpink and BTS trending, but whenever a much less known group is trending, it just warms my heart. But what the frick? This song was hype. Hype as... I don't know. What is extremely hype? Put it in the comments. You guys should decide how hype this song is. That build up to the chorus, and then that chorus with the beat kicking in, and then that second chorus, or not the second chorus, the last chorus towards the end, where it even picked up more in pace. Sick. Sick. You guys can let me know the name of the rapper, because she killed it. She honestly just killed it. Opening with a rap part, pretty rare in K-pop, I feel like. But something that Kpop does. I remember Dollar 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 from Idol, and that freaking rap part from Soyeon to open up the song. Kpop has some good rappers, holy shit. They have some good rappers, they have some good groups. Hopefully they will come back a lot more like frequent, because wasn't it like a year since they came back? And people even got mad at Kpop for not giving them a comeback or something. And I don't know why, because this group's awesome. Damn. Wow. Okay, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below how you like that comeback from CLC. And yeah, send you a lot of love. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.